welcome to my pour video. If you haven't seen the last video me mixing paints, go watch them first. In this video I made some mistakes, but hopefully I and you can learn from them. First off, I spray my cups with silicone spray, just as last video, so the paint will flow out more easily. Because it is a bigger canvas than last time, we need 2 big cups. I'm using the same colors as last time. I just put the colors together that are the same, like yellow with gold, purple with pink, and the turquoises and blues. This is where the first mistakes are gonna happen, because I'm using some of the leftover paints. I made some more gold and some other colors, but I still don't have enough paint, and you'll see why in a minute. I'm not pouring on the side of the cup, I'm like wiggling them out of the cup into the flip cup, so the paints layer more and I get more colors together. I get my gloves on now, because I'm gonna start doing the drags, and I want to show you the push paint, but it falls out of my hand. I'm gonna poke a hole in the back of the cups, and they already start flowing, so I drag them immediately. This is where you already can see that on the top the golden cells are getting way too big, all the cells are getting too big. I think it's because I made more gold and added a bit more silicone, that I might have added too much silicone. If the cells are this big in the beginning, I know they're gonna be misshapen and they're gonna be stretched out way too much. As I said in the beginning, mistakes were already happening because I have not enough paint, and you see that here I'm stretching really hard and I'm overstretching everything. I have not enough paint to cover it. My consistency is a bit thicker than other people have, so it's gonna be hard to move. I think it looks dreadful and awful, and that's why I'm gonna scrape it. I'm trying to save the painting here by pouring off the golden cells, but it's not working for me, so I'm scraping it just with my bare hands. It's kind of satisfying to do it though. And we're starting off again. The sides look amazing. I wish it looked that way on the painting. This is the cup. You can see it's much fuller than last time. It's like a centimeter under the top of the cup. That's the amount that I needed for this painting. I like to have more paint than I need. If it pours off, I use it when it dries for jewelry or other things. Now you can see that the cells that are forming are really tiny and small, and that's exactly how I like it. I love doing the drag because it moves the paint over the other paints, and that's how you get the best effect and the multicolored cells. Now I'm gonna get my burner out. I'm gonna start burning places where I like more cells. Up top there's enough, but I still go over there, I don't know why. And then I just wait and sit and go stretch the cells out. Again, I wiggle back and forth so the cells keep their shape. I first always do the corners, and then I just put it down, look at it, see what I want to move or what I hate, And obviously I hate the white spot on the bottom because there's no cells in there and it's just bothering me. I want to pour it down. And on the top left there's not too many cells, so I like to open up that a bit more. I'm gonna try to pour off the white part here, and it's kind of working except for the corner because I keep an eye on the whole painting. I don't want to misform the cells too much. I want it to keep its shape, so I move it back and forth. I also try to get a bit of the left top corner off as well because I don't like it that much, and I like to make the cells a bit bigger that are beautiful on the bottom left and the top right. This is the end result. The white spot in the corner, I'm gonna remove that by waiting for the painting to dry, and then I paint over it with a color that I like dark blue. I hope you like the end result. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe or leave a like, it's much appreciated. The next video will be about finishing the painting. I'll show you how I varnish it and how I clean the painting.